In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the pros and cons of upgrading to Windows 11, and we'll also explore some alternatives if you're considering staying on Windows 10. First, let's delve into the benefits of making the leap to Windows 11. One of the primary reasons to upgrade is continued security and support. As you might know, Windows 10 will eventually cease to receive support, which means no more security updates. By upgrading to Windows 11, you ensure your system stays up to date against new threats, keeping your data and personal information safe. The next advantage is the modernized user interface. Windows 11 introduces a fresh, revamped look with a centered taskbar and a redesigned Start menu. These changes create a more streamlined and visually appealing experience, which many users find intuitive and easier to navigate. Alongside the new design, Windows 11 enhances multitasking and productivity with features like snap layouts and snap groups, which allow for seamless management and organization of multiple open windows. This means you can work more efficiently and switch tasks without missing a beat. When it comes to gaming, Windows 11 doesn't disappoint. The operating system incorporates technologies like direct storage and auto HDR, significantly boosting game performance and graphics. Whether you're a casual gamer or a serious enthusiast, these features offer a richer and more immersive gaming experience. Moreover, Windows 11 embraces integrated AI, offering tools like Copilot, which can assist with tasks such as document summarization and content creation, making your work life a bit easier. Another point to consider is that the upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 is free for users who meet the required hardware specifications. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are a few potential downsides to upgrading that you should be aware of before making your decision. For starters, Windows 11 has strict hardware requirements, including the need for a TPM 2.0 chip. This means that some older machines may not be eligible for the upgrade, posing a hurdle for users still utilizing aging technology. Additionally, you may encounter compatibility issues with older hardware or software, which can be frustrating if certain programs are essential for your daily activities. The potential for glitches is also something to consider. Upgrades on unsupported hardware have, in some cases, resulted in problems, such as systems getting stuck mid-upgrade or failing to boot correctly. During the initial setup, Windows 11 requires a Microsoft account sign-in. While this isn't needed for long-term use, it's something to keep in mind if you prefer a more standalone setup. It's also worth mentioning that the system resource requirements might be a challenge for older or less powerful computers. With visual effects like animations and shadows, Windows 11 can use more system resources, potentially slowing down these machines. If you're hesitant about upgrading but wonder about alternatives, there are options. You can continue using Windows 10, but keep in mind that without security updates, you'll be more vulnerable to threats. Microsoft offers an extended security updates program, primarily for businesses, for a fee to prolong security support. Finally, if your hardware isn't compatible with Windows 11, you could explore alternative operating systems that might align better with your needs and continue to provide a secure environment. These considerations can help you decide what's best for your circumstances.